Hey everyone! Are you tired of spending hours editing long videos into short, shareable clips? Well, your solution is here. Meet Keevi, the ultimate AI-powered tool that transforms lengthy video content into engaging, bite-sized moments for social media. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or social media manager, Keevi helps you save time and maximize impact. With features like auto-reframing, multilingual subtitles, and direct posting, it's a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their video content. Let's dive into the Keevi lifetime deal and see what makes it special. What is Keevi? Keevi is an AI-powered video editing tool designed to simplify content creation. It transforms long videos into engaging, shareable clips tailored for all major social media platforms. With Keevi, you don't need advanced editing skills. Its AI analyzes your content and highlights the best moments automatically. You can import YouTube videos effortlessly, create multilingual subtitles, and optimize aspect ratios for different platforms. Keevi is perfect for content creators, marketers, and social media managers looking to save time and make their content stand out. It's your ultimate video editing assistant. Once-in-a-lifetime AppSumo deal, secure your lifetime access. The regular price for Keevi starts at $298, but thanks to this lifetime deal on AppSumo, you can get it for just $49. Yes, you heard that right, a one-time payment of $49 for a tool that will revolutionize your content game. Let's take a look at the different tiers of the deal so you can choose the one that's perfect for you. License Tier 1, price $49, originally $298. Includes 10 hours of video per month, AI captions in 20+ languages, unlimited exports, multiple aspect ratios, and more. License Tier 2, price $119, originally $598. Includes 25 hours of video per month, perfect for content creators managing multiple projects. License Tier 3, price $249, originally $958. Includes 60 hours of video per month, a game changer for agencies and professional marketers. License Tier 4, price $599, originally $1,558. Includes unlimited hours of video per month, designed for enterprises and heavy video users. Act fast. This is a limited time offer, and prices go up soon. Plus, with a 60-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. 6 most important features that make Keevi special. AI-powered video editing. Keevi analyzes your videos and creates shareable clips in just a few clicks. Auto-reframed clips. Keevi automatically highlights the most important parts of your video and optimizes them for different platforms. YouTube import. Just paste the YouTube URL and Keevi will handle the rest. Multilingual subtitles. Easily edit fonts, styles, and sizes for a professional look. Social media optimization. Keevi formats your clips for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn with the right aspect ratios for each platform. Direct posting. Post your clips directly from Keevi to your favorite social media channels, saving you even more time. Who can benefit from Keevi? Content creators, social media managers, marketing agencies, coaches and educators, business owners, freelancers, global brands. Unlock bonus savings with an extra 10% off on AppSumo. Love the Keevi lifetime deal already? Here's how you can make it even better. Get an extra 10% off. Visit the Keevi lifetime deal page on AppSumo. Look for the discount pop-up bar. Enter an active email address. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. That's it. Enjoy more savings on this incredible deal. What people are saying about Keevi. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Keevi is your secret weapon for creating viral-worthy video content in minutes. Check the description for the link, explore the features, and grab that Keevi lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and want more tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.